Welcome. In front of me I have Huawei P40 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can connect AirPods to this smartphone. So at first I'm going to close the case of the AirPods, then open notification bar, tap on the Bluetooth icon, and then click and hold it to open the Bluetooth settings. And right now let's grab our AirPods, open the case, then we have to press this button. So press and hold it until this indicator starts blinking on the white color. Right now we can release, and our AirPods will pop on the list in a few moments. If it is not going to happen, don't worry, we got other ways how to make it. As you can see right now, they pop, so just simply click on them, accept the pair, and as you can see right now, we are connected. So that's how we can make it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!